Get the best plumbing repair solutions for homes in Howell Township. If you have a burst pipe, leaky faucet or any other plumbing issues, the team at New Jersey Shore Plumber have the solution for you. A well-timed plumbing repair helps protect your property and avoid costly emergency plumbing rescue in the future. The team at New Jersey Shore Plumber understand that every plumbing issue requires prompt attention. As a professional plumbing installation contractor, New Jersey Shore Plumber is dedicated to providing you with the fast service you deserve. The professional plumbers respond quickly and always arrive on time when they are contacted for a plumbing emergency. They have the knowledge and experience to repair a variety of common problems, including broken water heaters, floor seals, toilets, and more. Go to NewJerseyShorePlumber.com for more info.